Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Sawan Kumar. And there is one thing that connects money, business and finance is money. That is the key ingredient. That is the key thing about any business to run successfully. Money. But it becomes even more important for small businesses because they struggle a lot about or with finances. And what do we as small businesses do when we need a finance? We go to banks. We look out for investments. We look out for some equity infusion. We look for some buyouts. Ultimately, we look for some investments or some finance so that people come and invest in our business, whether it was banks or creditors or somebody else. They invest in our business so that we can grow our business. But there is an irony to it. There is a bad part to it. When we are going out and calling creditors, bankers, investors to invest in our business, what are we doing is, whatever money we are able to save from the business, we are taking it out from the business and investing in somebody else's business. So on one side, we are asking others to come and invest in our business. We are asking others to trust us. On the other hand, we are taking the money out of the business and investing in stock market, investing in mutual funds, investing at other places, which is the worst thing to do. If you have extra cash flow, if you have extra money, before going out to somebody else and asking for investment or money, first invest what you have in your business. Do not look out for finance when you already have something to put in. If you do not have confidence in your business, if you do not feel that you can generate good amount of return to pay yourself off, how do you think and why do you think would others trust you and your business? You are going and investing in mutual funds where mutual funds are investing in somebody else's business, and only when they make profit, these people would make profit, and when the mutual funds would make profit, you would make a little bit of profit. Why do you want to trust on so many things? Why not trust in ourselves, invest in our business and make it grow multiple times? This is one thing that most of the small businesses miss. So the biggest investment opportunity is you yourself. You have to start investing in your business so that the money starts rotating, starts circulating, and it grows 100%, 200% or 300%, not 10, 20, 30%, which as a promise we get, that too year on year. That too is a year on year promise. If we are taking a loan, we are paying an interest of 10, 12, 15%. If we are making an investment in mutual funds or stock markets, we might end up earning 10, 12% in a year. But if we invest in our own business, the return could be as high as 100 or 200%. And there is another calculation to it. Let's say, I'll give you some maths about this investment. Being a chartered accountant myself, I can give you these small maths. So if you are taking a loan, let's say of $1 million, and you have to pay back to the bank an interest of about 5%, let's say 10% for ease of calculation. So on $1 million or $1 million of loan that you have taken, you are paying 10% interest, right? And now from the income that you are generating from the business, you are taking that income out and investing it somewhere. When the moment you are taking the income out from the business, since you have made a profit in the business, you are now paying tax on that profit at about 25%. So you are only taking out about 75% of your business to get a return of about 5, 6, 7, 8% or maybe 10%. At the same time, you are paying somebody else 10, 12% to get the money. So if at the same place, you had not taken that money as loan and you had invested your own money in your business, now because you are not taking the profits out from your business, there is no income tax liability that is coming to you. You are you are spending the entire money that you earned on the same business, so everything is tax deductible. You are not paying a single penny of tax. And in the next year, now when you will be making 50% or 100% out of that income, and you are once again reinvesting it, now your business is growing 100% year on year without any tax liability coming to you. But if you are taking a loan and taking out the profits and investing in somebody else's business, you are not ending up with much. You are not ending up with much. You might actually be ending up with a loss. Try and understand this calculation. It's a very easy calculation, and if you have any questions or any queries about this calculation, do ask me in the comments below. I'll be helping you sort this problem out. I'll be helping you with this calculation, and maybe you would better understand how you can manage the finance, manage the money of your business. And there is another area of investment that you should be making in, that is yourself, your skills, improvement of your knowledge, your skills. This is one thing that you should be putting your money in. Once you have invested enough in your business, now it is also the time to invest in yourself. Upgrade yourself, train yourself, get that new skill, get that new certification done, whatever is needed, invest in yourself. And only when you have invested enough in your business and invested enough in yourself, and you are still left with some money, you can now move out to some other investment areas that gives you good return. Not a 10, 12, 15, 20% of return, but good return. So maybe you can start an additional line of business, or you can go and invest in real estate, or whatever you think is good for you, considering your situations, your risk appetite and everything. You can figure out the third and the fourth investment areas. The first two investment areas has to be your business and you yourself, nothing else. Only when you're full with these things, then move out and look out for other investment options. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. And it does for your business, for any business on this earth. No matter you're from India or from United States of America or from the United Kingdom, it makes sense to every single business. Come on, are you with me? Yes. Have a good day and see you in the next video.